Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 10. It is from section 1.5 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to factor by grouping. All right, so let's start with our ABC, the coefficients of the terms. And so A is 6, B is 5, C is minus 4. All right, first we need to find the factors of A times C. A times C is 6 times minus 4, and that is minus 24. All right, P is associated with A, and Q is associated with C. So we'll put a P, and then we'll put a Q. And we always write the smallest factor first. All right, so factors we have are 1 and minus 24. And now to give you an idea of what we're doing with these factors, in step 2, we sum the factors. And we're looking for the sum that adds up to B. So in this case, we want the sum to be 5. And so we have 1 minus 24, that's minus 23, not close. So I'll just go brute force down, but you can obviously skip. Minus 1 and 24 are not going to work, right? Because minus 1 plus 24 is now positive 23. All right, so I will keep going. We've got 2 and minus 12, minus 2, and plus 12. We've got 3 and minus 8, and then minus 3 and 8. Then to finish it off, we've got 4 and minus 6, and minus 4 and 6. And so now we'll work on summing the factors. And so we've done the first two. Then next is 2 minus 12. That is minus 10. Minus 2 plus 12, that is plus 10. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Oh, we're getting closer. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5. And that is the winner because B is 5. And so we have P is minus 3 and Q is 8. Okay, so now we're ready for step 3. We'll put it over here. Now we're going to rewrite our original problem, 6x squared plus 5x minus 4, using the P and Q. So we are going to have 6x squared, and what we're doing is replacing the 5x with px plus qx. And so our p is minus 3, so we will have minus 3x plus 8x. Together they make the 5x, and then we have the minus 4. Okay, now what we need to do is find the greatest common factor of the first two terms. Greatest common factor of 6x squared minus 3x. And this is going to be 3x. And so 6x squared minus 3x is equal to 3x times 2x gives us back the 6x squared, and then 3x times minus 1 gives us the minus 3x back. Okay? Now we find the greatest common factor of the remaining two terms, 8x minus 4. Okay, that is going to be 4. And then 8x minus 4 is equal to 4 times, okay, it better be 2x minus 1, otherwise we've made a mistake. But 4 times 2x does give us the 8x, and 4 times minus 1 does give us the minus 4, so we're golden. All right, now we can rewrite, and then we'll be ready to factor it out. And so now we're rewriting the 6x squared minus 3x plus 8x minus 4 using these guys here. So we will have 3x times 2x minus 1, and then plus 4 times 2x minus 1. Okay, so now we can factor out the greatest common factor of that, and that is going to be 2x minus 1. We are left with 3x plus 4. And so we have 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 1 times 3x plus 4. And now we can check our answer and make sure we are correct. And so 2x minus 1 times 3x plus 4, this is equal to, okay, we multiply 2x and 3x, we get 6x squared. Now we multiply 2x times 4, we get plus 8x. We multiply minus 1 times 3x, we get minus 3x. Minus 1 times 4, and we get minus 4. Combine the 8x and 3x, so we have 6x squared plus 5x minus 4, and that's what we were to factor, and so our answer checks. We know we are correct. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.